Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the Read Aloud extension for Google Chrome. If you have not installed it, please see my other video first. So, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you're opened up to a website that you want to have read for you. And then all you need to do is go right up here to the icon and click it.
5th grade Aggies 2019-2020. Announcement, notes about the writing assignment is.
A text box will show up on the upper right hand side. I can make the text smaller, I can make the box smaller or larger as needed, or I could even hide that text box.
5th grade Aggies 2019-2020. Announcement,
and have it continue to read.
Assignment is. Notes about the writing assignment.
I will need to open it back up to pause or to stop it. Another thing that you could do is also go into the settings and change the speed. If the reader is too fast or too slow, you could change the pitch, and you could change the volume of the read, and then you could tell it to highlight or not highlight. Okay, once I set those,
2019-2020.
then it will change in my reading. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop that. The next thing is to be able to make this read from our distance learning decks. This is one of the purposes that we're showing you how to install this. So what we're going to need to do is go down and open up one of the distance learning decks. And what's really cool about this Read Aloud extension is that it will read from the Google Slides. So here I am, I've launched one of the slides. Let's go to the first one. And all I need to do again is click on the Read Aloud icon.
2. Morning meeting, introduction. Welcome to week 3. Yes, actually week 3. I mean it. We'll start with a greeting, sharing question, and some smile.
This can be a very useful tool in helping your students navigate through all the reading in the Google Decks.